Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, Mia is going to be joining me in this video, I guess. I don't know, but she just wants attention. But actually, today's video is going to be pretty exciting. We're going to be doing an unboxing of one of the Kkw fragrances. This is the one of her body shape. So it's, let's see, Kkw Fragrance Body. That's all it says. Yeah, that's all it says, but this is what the box looks like. I just saw that my mom had got this for me, and I thought that I would sit down right away and film this video and show you guys and just open it up because I want to use it already, even though I'm already wearing perfume, but whatever. It's okay. Maybe my sister will be my guinea pig. And I'm sorry, you guys are probably hearing my dogs in the background. They're just playing around. Okay, I don't think I needed to do that, but I thought it would be fun if I did. Okay. It's got some tape on the side. Oh, well, it looks like I'm not keeping this box. Okay, so you open it up. Mia's very curious of what's going on. Okay, so that's what it looks like when you open it up, and the box just like opens up on all four sides. I thought that's pretty cool. Okay. So when you touch this, it feels like it's a rock. That's the only way that I can describe it. It feels like it's a rock. You want to feel it, Melanie?
Hell no.
Come here.
Hell no.
Mia? Mia says, it tastes good.
Yeah, she wants to eat it now.
It's Mia approved, right, Mia? Yep, that's my good girl. Okay, and then the cap. Mia, stop it! The cap looks pretty cool because it like only covers the front side of it. It doesn't cover all the way, so that's what the cap looks like. And in the back, stop! Get away from me! Get over there. And then on the side of the cap, it says Kkw Beauty. I think Mia really wants to eat it. How do you open this? Oh, okay, that's so cool. Look, so I was trying to pull it up, but you don't pull it up. You just twist it around, and then the little hole is right there. So let's go ahead and spray it. Okay, good thing is the perfume that I put on earlier, you can't really smell it anymore, so we can still get a good representation. Okay, yeah, let's spray it on my hand.
Let me just make you a donut.
I only have one other Kkw fragrance, and that one stays on all day after you spray it, so I hope this is the same thing with this one. It smells so good. It smells like men perfume, but for women. I don't really know how to explain it to you guys, but it smells really flowery and like sweet and sexy. So I really like it. I dig it. I like this perfume. And even if I didn't like it, I don't think you can even return these perfumes, can you? But I think it smells really good, and the concept is pretty cool. I like how it's her body shape that's molded on here. I thought that was a pretty cool concept. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I just really wanted to unbox it with you guys and tell you my first impression. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.